Okay, so now that I harvested all the goldfish fry, I have 12 fry that I harvested out of my pond. Originally, about a month ago, I'm pretty sure, had about 50 goldfish fry, which is understandable because not all of your fry are going to make it. I'm just acclimating them into the 300-gallon stock tank so then they can be in here over the winter with the other fish in the stock tank. I really haven't done a video on the pond, so I thought I would just do this. I just grabbed my phone and decided to film this. It wasn't really a planned video, but that is it for today. I just went ahead and drained out the 50-gallon breeder pond so then I can fill it up again next year in the spring. Thank you for watching. Please check out my Instagram and subscribe.